Let's see how to brew a good coffee with Mata X. The temperature configuration button allows you to choose the ideal extraction temperature between warm, hot, and extra hot to enhance the taste of the extracted coffee according to the different roasts. The X mode steam setting is perfect for daily use for the preparation of milk and coffee beverages. The X mode coffee, on the other hand, is intended for coffee and specialty coffee enthusiasts. All you have to do is try it. As you can hear, the silent pump won't disturb anyone. Don't worry if the brew is not immediate. It's the pre-infusion in action. If you run out of water in the tank during brewing, the reserve mode will automatically activate to allow you to complete your coffee. Once the lever is lowered, the corresponding LED will start flashing to indicate the lack of water. Shall we talk about cappuccino? The steam wand is anti-burn, so you can prepare the milk for a final result like a real professional, just like at the bar. Once you've tasted your coffee, Mata X goes into standby mode after 30 minutes of inactivity. If you want to start again, all you have to do is raise and lower the lever and wait for the LED to turn on, indicating that the machine has reached the optimal temperature. Personalize the machine with dedicated barista tools. And now, enjoy your Mata X.